This Bosch Benchmark Induction range has some decent features, but it's not for everyone. In this video, you'll learn its best attributes and a few problems. Then we'll compare the Bosch against competitive Samsung, LG Studio, and Cafe Induction ranges. Stay to the end and I'll tell you how to buy this range at the best possible price without haggling. Without a doubt, Bosch's best feature is its reliability. Their ranges only need service 5.4% of the time in the first year, versus over 10% for all other brands based on about 35,000 service calls logged by our service department just last year. This is significant because induction ranges aren't very easy to fix to begin with, and the current parts shortage makes it even more difficult to get repairs done promptly. The top of this range has 3 power burners. You can boost one to 3,700 watts, with the other 2 reaching 3,600 watts. That's on the high end of output for comparable induction ranges. LG has one burner at 4,200 watts and one at 3,200, but the other burners drop off considerably. Samsung only has a 2,400 watt max on its burners. Cafe has one 3,700 watt burner and then drops down to 2,500 watts. Like every high-end stove, you have convection or fan-forced heat to create even temperatures throughout the oven. Below the oven, you have a warming drawer to keep food warm for up to 3 hours if you like to cook and serve at different times. At 4.6 cubic feet, Bosch's interior oven space is smaller than all of its competitors. LG and Samsung offer 6.3 cubic feet of internal capacity, while Cafe's range is 5.7 cubic feet. Bosch only offers a stainless steel exterior and lacks the different color choices and handle options of the Cafe ranges. It's priced at $4,099, which is on the higher end for competitive ranges. You can buy ranges from LG, Samsung, and GE profile lines without the warming drawer for about $500 to $1,000 less. Speaking of price, if you buy the Bosch around the holidays, you can save $300 to $500 on this specific product. You can also receive rebates from package promotions when you buy multiple qualifying Bosch appliances at the same time. So, should you buy this Bosch? The price is on the higher end while the oven is on the smaller end. You should look in to see if this still meets your needs. However, the reliability alone makes this a good consideration, as this is the most reliable induction range you can buy. The output is also excellent, along with the convenience of the warming drawer if you like to cook and eat at staggered times. So, what do you think? Is this range worth the money? Let us know in the comments below.